He's like, I can't do it.
Do the moonwalk.
And then throw it with the water.
That was really gross.
I can't do it. The water's getting dry. I have no problem.
Move closer, cause like. Alright, I mean, move in.
We're having a burping contest.
Yeah, it's chugging.
Well,
I'm
looks
not
like
gonna
we're all
finish
doing
it.
You're not going to finish that? That's why I finished those.
I ain't got nothing there. Scare me.
You're disgusting.
That's so how we find this
making
interesting.
me sick. Like I don't want to throw.
I feel like all the guys from college were watching this.
Are we still moving?
Yeah. I can't do it. The water's gonna make me throw up. I'm getting this lightheaded. So my nose.
Are you guys done?
No. When I hear you. See it, Ty?
I think it's going to do on hold. Interesting. I find this very interesting.
Holy.
But I got nothing.